Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Gundam Heavyarms Helmet Build Series Part 1. I have the helmet all printed on the different parts. I got 4, 5, 6, 8 different parts. This helmet was really difficult to work with because it fits great here, but it also comes down really close here towards the neck. So what I had to do is I had to cut a lot of this off, bottom parts here, just so I can put this helmet on. When I have it like this, you can't tell that I cut it all off. And I got these files from Nikko.Industries, so now we're going to start attaching all the different parts, and so I can get on to the primer, paint, and all the other good stuff for it. So let's get welding. Alright, so I have the helmet all welded together. It took me a little while to make sure that I had the antenna in the back pointing the right way. I didn't want them pointing down. They had to kind of point up a little bit. And then I had to make the holes a little bit bigger just so the parts can connect together. So let's give this a shot. Okay, as you can see, the helmet fits really well. I just have to cut a couple parts out because on the eye mask here, it is digging into my nose, so I need to cut out a little notch so it sits a little bit better on my nose. And I have to add some padding on the inside just so the helmet sits a little bit better. But it fits really well, and like I said, I had to cut a lot down here because the part would stick down a bit and I wouldn't be able to put this on. Not too bad. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the little piece on my nose right here just so it's not like sitting really heavily on there, and then just add some padding around the back and on the top. And then I'll go ahead and sand it, prime it, and start painting it. Painting this shouldn't be too hard because it's basically, it's red here or right here, and then it's red up on this part of the helmet right up here, and then it's all white. Everything else is white except the V-fin here, that's going to be yellow. And don't have to worry about painting right here because it has like little slits, so I could breathe a lot easier. I'm actually impressed with how well this turned out. Because at first I was a little depressed because it was too small and I thought I was going to have to reprint the entire thing all over again. But luckily I was able to cut out a lot of the parts, and now the helmet fits. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.